angle of a sector is 60 degrees and radius is 14 centimeter, then its area. So area of a sector is like theta by 360 into pi r square. 60 by 360, 60 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 6 times 1, 6 times 6, 0 0 cancel. 2 times 3, 2 times 7. So 22 into 7 into 2 by 3. So if you calculate this, 7 times 2, 14, 28. So 308 by 3. So that value is 102.66. So the correct option is 102.666. So the correct option is 2. Value of cos square 0 plus cos square 60. So cos square 0 degrees plus cos square 60. Cos 0 value is 1, so square. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 plus 1 by 4. So if you take LCM, LCM is 4. So 4 plus 1. So that is 5 by 4. Correct option is 1. If a dice is rolled, then the probability of getting an even number. If a dice is rolled, the possible outcomes are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of getting an even number. So number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Here favorable outcome is even number. So 2, 4, 6. 3 outcomes are there. And total outcomes are 6. So the answer is 1 by 2. So the correct option is, in a square, the diagonal is root 2 times its side. It's a standard statement. So correct answer is 3. Or otherwise you can apply Pythagoras theorem. Take a square A, B, C, D and consider the side as A. Apply Pythagoras theorem for triangle ABC. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get like AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So A square plus A square, 2A square. So AC square is 2A square. AC is under root 2A square. So AC is root 2 times A. A is nothing but side. So in a square, the diagonal is root 2 times its side. So the correct answer is of volume of cylinder and cone whose radius are equal and having same height. So volume of cylinder by volume of cone. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h cancel. 1 by 1 by 3. So this 1 by 3 will become reciprocal, 3 by 1. So answer is 3:1. So correct option is tan theta is not defined when theta is 90 degrees, it's not defined. Tan 90 is infinity, not defined. So the correct option is, if sec theta equals 3k and tan theta equals 3 by k. From here I need to find k square minus 1 by k square. So from here find the value of k. Sec theta by 3 equals k. From here find the value of 1 by k. So tan theta by 3 is 1 by k. Substitute this k and 1 by k in this k square. K square will become secant square theta by 3 square is 9. 1 by k. It will become tan square theta by 9. If you take LCM 9, numerator will be secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So 1 by 9. Correct option is 2. Tan theta is 1 by root 3. So tan theta is 1 by root 3. We need to find 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta. You can use Pythagoras theorem, but as the value is standard, so tan theta equals tan 30, theta equals 30 degrees. So 7 sin square 30 plus 3 cos square 30 degrees. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. So 7 into 1 by 4 plus 3 into root 3 whole square is 3, 2 square is 4. So here you will get value 7 by 4 plus 3 times 3, 9 by 4. So answer is 16 by 4. You can cancel it, but the option is 1, 16 by 4. From the 50 cards numbered from 1 to 50, a card is drawn at random. Then the probability that the number on the card is divisible by 8 is, so 1 to 50, the numbers which are divisible by 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is 50. So 2 times 3, 2 times 25. So 3 by 25. Correct option is 4. Median of the data 6, 10, 20, x, 12, 14 is 12. So this question is incorrect, because if they want to find the median missing value for ungrouped data, the data should be in, already it should be arranged in ascending order, but here it is not in ascending order. So the question we'll find here is mean. Mean is nothing but sum of the observations by number of observations. So mean is given 12. So 6 plus 10 plus 20 plus x plus 12 plus 14 by 6. 12 times 6 is 72. 16, 36, 50, 62. 62 plus x. So 72 minus 62 equals x. So the value of x is 10. Here we need to calculate mean, not median. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. BC is 4 centimeters, EF is 5 centimeters. Area of ABC is 80 centimeters square. We need to find the area of triangle DEF. As these two triangles are similar and they are asking area, so area's theorem will apply. The ratios of the areas of two similar triangles, the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. BC by EF, I'll take whole square. I can take AB by DE, but I don't have the values. I have the values BC and EF, so I'm taking them. So now area of triangle ABC is 80 by area of triangle DEF. BC value is 4 and this is 5. So area of triangle, this value is nothing but 16 by 25. So if we cross multiply 80 into 25, 80 into 25 by 16 equals area of triangle DEF. 16 times 1, 16 times 5, so 25 into 5. So area of triangle DEF is 25 into 5, 125 centimeters square. So correct option is perimeter of a sector. Perimeter of a sector. So this is, suppose if this is a sector, radius, and this is length of an arc. So length of an arc plus 2r, L plus 2r. So Correct option will be 4. In cone, slant height, height and radius. So relation between this is under root L square equals h square plus r square. This is the relation between radius, height and slant height. But the question is under root L plus r into L minus r. So under root you are getting L square minus r square. So L square minus r square, that is nothing but L square minus r square is h square. So root of h square is height. So vertical height is the correct option. 2 is the correct answer. Volume of a cube is 512. So volume of a cube is a cube. A cube is 512 centimeter cube. So you can write as a cube as 512. You can write as 8 cube. So the value of a is 8 centimeter. So edge is 8 centimeters. So correct option is surface area of a solid hemisphere is 147 pi centimeter square. So total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi, but they told here radius is x, so 3 pi x square is 147 pi. Pi and pi cancel. So x square is 147 by 3. So x square is 3 times 4 12, 3 9s 27. So x is root 49. That is nothing but 7 centimeters. So the correct option is 4. If cosec theta equals 2 and cot theta equals root 3p, where theta is acute angle. Here theta is acute angle, it's nothing but acute angle means all the ratios are in first quadrant, so all the values will be positive. So cosec and cot is there, we need to find p. So with cosec and cot I have identity. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Cosec value is 2, cot is root 3p. Whole square is 1. So this is 4 minus 3p square is 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3p square. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 equals 3p square. 3 times 1, 3 times 1. So p square is 1. P equals root 1. So p equals 1. So the correct option is 2. Cos 2 theta equals sin 4 theta. So cos 2 theta equals sin 4 theta. Cos and sin are complementary. So 2 theta plus 4 theta is 90. So 6 theta value will be 90. So theta is 90 by 6. So the value of theta is 15 degrees. So the correct option is 4. The mean of first 5 prime numbers. So first 5 prime numbers are like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So we need to find mean. Mean is sum of the observations 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 by number of observations. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 17, 28 by 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. So 5 times 6. So 5 value of log 64 to the base root 2. Log 64 to the base root 2. 64 you can write as 2 power 6. Root 2 you can write as 2 power 1 by 2. So log a power m to the base b power n is m by n log a to the base b. So here m is 6 divided by 1 by 2 log 2 to the base 2. So 6 into 2 by 1 log 2 to the base 2 value is 1. So 6 into 2 12. Correct option is 2. Phi is a root of x square minus k minus 1 into x plus 10 equals 0. So phi is a root that also in place of x directly substitute 5. So you'll get 5 square minus k minus 1 into 5 plus 10 equals 0. So 25 5k minus into minus plus 1 into 5 is 5 plus 10 equals 0. 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 10 40. 40 minus 5k equals 0. 40 equals 5k. 40 by 5 equals k. So 8 equals k. The roots of x square minus 16 equals 0. So x square minus 16. Sum of the roots, so sum of the zeros is minus b by a. If you compare with the standard, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. A value is 1, b is 0 because b is coefficient of x. We don't have x here. So c is minus 16. So minus 0 by 1. So sum of the zeros is 0. So the correct option is 3. If a equals x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is less than 6 greater than or equal to 1. So here the elements in set A is less than 6 greater than 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5. N of A, cardinal number. Number of elements in A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. So the correct option is subset of B and B subset of D. So A subset of B. I'll take one example. Here A 1, 2 and in B I'll take 1, 2, 3. Now see here A is subset of B. All the elements of A are in B. And they told B subset of D. B subset of D. B already I took 1, 2, 3. So D I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4. All the elements of B are in D. So if A is subset of B and B is subset of D, then see all the elements of A will be in D. So we can write A subset of D. The degree of a quadratic equation is, the degree of a quadratic equation is 2. Linear equation is 1, cubic is 3. So the degree of a quadratic equation is 2. Correct answer is 3. Logarithmic form of cube root 8. So cube root 8 equals 2. So write this in power form, like exponential form. 8 power 1 by 3 is 2. So if a power x equals n, then x is said to be logarithm of n to the base a. So if you apply this definition, so 1 by 3 equals log 2 to the base 8. So log 2 to the base 8 equals 1 by 3. Correct option is 1. The discriminant of the equation px square plus qx plus r equals 0. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So if you compare this with the standard one, that is ax square plus bx plus c. B value is q minus 4, a is p and c is r. So q square minus 4pr. Correct option is 2. The equation x square plus x plus 1 equals 0 has, here they are asking about the nature. So x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. Compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c. So the value of a is 1, b is 1, c is 1. So to find the nature, find discriminant b square minus 4ac. So 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So no real roots. So correct option is 2. The symbol for an empty set. The symbol for empty set or null set or void set is this one, or you can write empty set like this. So here we have option 1 and option 2. So fourth option, if you'll see 1 or 2, so the correct option is 4. A intersection B is null set, then the sets A and B are disjoint, because disjoint sets intersection will be null set. A 1 2, B you can take it as 3, 4. So A intersection B if we'll do, we don't have any elements common, so we'll get null set. So if A intersection B is null set, then we'll call it as disjoint set. The zeros of the polynomial shown in the figure, in the graph. So wherever it cuts the x-axis, there we'll get the zeros. Here it cuts at minus 2 comma 0 and 2 comma 0. So here x value is minus 2, here it is 2. So the zeros are minus 2, 2. So correct option is 3. Find the slant height of a cone. We use, see, to find the slant height of a cone, when height is given and radius is given, we'll use Pythagoras theorem, like hypotenuse square equals sum of the squares of other two sides. So L square equals h square plus r square. Here L is slant height. So to find out the slant height, we will use Pythagoras theorem. So the correct option is 3. Values of sine 30, sine 90 and secant 60. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 90 is 1 and secant 60 is 2. So here A1, A2, A3. So they are not in AP because A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So A2 by A1, A3 by A2. Check for GP condition. A2 is 1, A1 is 1 by 2. A3 is 2, A2 is 1. So 1 by 1 by 2 is 2 equals 2. So it is satisfying the GP condition. So the correct answer is, so the following formula is associated to cylinder. See, the first formula is for volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. The third one is volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. And this one 4 by 3 pi r cube is the formula for volume of sphere. So the correct option is 2 because pi r square h is the volume of cylinder. X equals minus 3 is, see, x equals minus 3, like we'll draw 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, here 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. X equals minus 3, we'll draw the line like this. So it is parallel to y-axis. So the correct option is 2. Point minus 5, minus 8 lies in which quadrant? See, in the first quadrant, both will be like positive. In here, minus, plus. The third quadrant, both will be negative. Positive, negative. So both are negative in third quadrant. So the correct option is 3. ABC are in GP. ABC, A1, A2, A3. So A2 by A1, A3 by A2. So B by A, C by B. If we cross multiply, B square equals AC. So B equals root AC. So the value of B is root AC. So the correct answer is 4. The next term of the AP, A plus 3D, A plus D, A minus D. So already 3 terms are there. So I need to find fourth term. So fourth term is A plus 3D. So here in this problem, the first term is A plus 3D and common difference A2 minus A1 if you do. A2 is A plus D minus A1 is A plus 3D. So A plus D minus A minus 3D. So A and A will get cancelled. D minus 3D is minus 2D. Substitute here. A value is A plus 3D. Next, plus 3 into D. D is minus 2D. So A plus 3D minus 6D, that is nothing but A minus 3D. So the correct option is 4. The number of cubes of edge 2 centimeters. So cube of edge 2 centimeters. How many number of this can be cut out from a cube of edge 6 centimeter. So here the volume will be same. So n into a cube equals, I will take capital A cube. So n into here 2 cube. Here it is, you can write as 6 cube. So n equals 6 into 6 into 6 by 2 into 2 into 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 3, 2 times 1, 2 times 3, 2 times 3. So n equals 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So 27 cubes. Which term of the AP minus 18, minus 16, minus 14 is first positive term? So positive term means an is greater than 0. If they'll tell negative term, you should take less than 0. An formula is A plus n minus 1 into D is greater than 0. A first term is minus 18 plus n minus 1 into D. A2 minus A1 minus 16 minus of minus 18. So it is 2 greater than 0. So minus 18 plus 2n minus 2 is greater than 0. 2n minus 20 is greater than 0. So 2n is greater than 20. N is greater than 20 by 2. N is greater than 10. So greater than 10 will be the 11th term. So correct option is a solid iron cuboid of dimensions cuboid whose dimensions are 49, 33. So length is 49, breadth is 33, height is 24. So is melted and recast into the shape of a sphere. We need to find the radius. So volume of cuboid L into B into H will be equal to volume of sphere. So that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So L is 49 into 33 into 24. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. So here see 4 times 1, 4 times 6, and here 11 times 2, 11 times 3. Yeah, that's it. Now 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Now if you'll see here, the next step here. So here 49 and here it is 7. So write all these terms here. 49 into 3, here one more 3 is there, into 3, this 3 and 7, into 3 into 7 equals r cube. So here 7 into 7, so 7 cube into 3 cube is r cube. So you can write as 7 into 3, 21. So 21 cube is r cube. So radius will be 21 centimeters. So the correct option is 1. Solution of the equation root 3x minus root 3y, root 3x minus root 7y equals 0, and root 8x plus root 3y equals 0. So see, directly you can tell the solution, because if there is no constant in the linear equation, then the first line will pass through the origin, and in this also we don't have the constant, so that also from somewhere it will pass through the origin. So both the lines will meet at origin, so the solution will be 0, 0. So the correct option will be 4. But I'll explain this problem with the help of substitution method. So root 3x equals root 7y. So x equals root 7y by root 3. Substitute here. Root 8 into x value is root 7y by root 3 plus root 3y equals 0. So y, if I'll take common, root 8 into root 7 is 7 8s root 56 by root 3, plus here y I took common, so root 3. So the value of y is 0 by this total part, so it is 0. If the value of y is 0, if I'll substitute here, then I'll get x 0. So x is 0, y is 0. Correct option is 16, x, 36 are in GP, then we need to find x. So 16, x, 36. So a1, a2, a3. If they are in GP, a2 by a1 equals a3 by a2. a2 is x by 16, and here 36 by x. X into x, it's x square, 36 into 16. So x equals root 36 times 16. Root 36 is 6, root 16 is 4. So the value of x is 6 times 4, 24. So the correct option is y equals 3, then the value of x satisfying the equation. 5 by x plus 3 by y equals 6. They told the value of y is 3. So 3 by 3 is 6. So 5 by x plus 1 equals 6. So 5 by x equals 6 minus 1. So the next step will be 5 by x equals 5. So if we cross multiply, 5 by 5 is x. So 1 is equal to x. So the correct option is the value of tan theta in terms of sin theta. So I need answer in terms of sin theta. So sin theta you consider it as k, and write k by 1. Take a right angle triangle, take theta here, A, B, C. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is k, hypotenuse is 1. So if I'll apply Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So 1 square equals K square plus BC square. So 1 minus K square is BC square. So BC value will be under root 1 minus K square. Now you need the value of tan theta. So tan theta is opposite. Opposite is K. Adjacent is root 1 minus K square. But K is nothing but sin theta by 1 minus K square. 1 minus sin square theta. Distance between the points log 1000 to the base 10. 1000 you can write as 10 cube to the base 10. Log a power m, so 3 log 10 to the base 10. So its value is 3. So a is nothing but 3. Tan 45 is 1. B. Cosec 30. Cosec 30 is 2. And log 343 you can write as 7 cube to the base 7. So 3 log 7 to the base 7. So its value is 3. So 2 comma 3. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So AB distance under root x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square. 3 minus 1 is 2 whole square. So minus 1 whole square is 1 and 2 whole square is 4. So root 5. So distance is root 5. Correct answer is 4. Mid values are used to find mean. For median, we'll find cumulative frequency. Mode we'll do directly. So for mean, we'll use mid values. Those are nothing but class marks. So the correct option is 1. Probability of impossible event. So the probability of impossible event is 0. So the correct option is 1. Triangle ABC, ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So AD by DB equals AE by EC. Okay, AD is 3 by 5. AE I need to find, so this I will consider as x. Total they gave 5.6. So this EC value will be 5.6 minus x. So AE is x by 5.6 minus x. So if we cross multiply, 3 into 5.6 minus x equals 5x. So 3 into 5.6 minus 3x equals, you can write like 5x. So 3 times 5.6, 5x plus 3x, it will become like 8x. So 3 into 5.6 by 8. 3 into 5.6 by 8 equals x. 8 times 1, 8, 0.7. So 3 times 0.7 is 3 into 0.7, that is 2.1. So the correct option is 4. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So if the triangles are similar, corresponding angles will be equal. So here A is 50. So we don't know B and C, but angle P also will be like 50. Corresponding angles will be equal. So B plus C will be 130. So Q plus R also will be 130. So correct option is area of regular hexagon of side A. In hexagon there will be like 3 equilateral triangles. 6 equilateral triangles. So area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Here 6 equilateral triangles. So 6 into root 3 by 4 a square. So the correct option is 4.